Welcome, today I am with Huawei Mate 10 Pro and I will show you how we can add and remove home screen widgets. So let me remove these two widgets. At the first we have to click and hold and then select to remove. Confirm and do the same with this bar. To add the new widget, you have to pinch your screen like that. Next you have to select widgets. Here you can find the default widgets I'm going to apply, for example, this weather widget. Here you can find default themes, so I will pick this one. You have to click once, then tap here, and the screen will be attached to the screen. I mean, to the home screen. Right now, when you click and hold it and then slide for the right side, we can easily put it for another screen. And when you tap on it once, you are going to open an application that is currently set up with this widget. So when we apply the weather widget, that's very obvious that when you click on it, we will open also the weather application. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.